In this tutorial, we'll tackle how to resolve the administrator mode issue in Microsoft Edge step by step. Click the Start button and type user account in the search bar. From the results, select Change User Account Control Settings. Move the slider one step below the recommended level. This option notifies you only when apps try to make changes to your computer without dimming the desktop. Click OK and confirm the change by selecting Yes if prompted. Open Edge, and the issue should be resolved. Thanks for watching. If it helps, make sure to hit like and subscribe.